Here's a hard truth for technical professionals. Expertise does not equal influence, and influence determines who wins enterprise decisions. We've worked with brilliant sales consultants, developers, and founders. They understand architecture, they understand systems, and they understand implementation. But when they enter executive conversations, they default to explaining how it works. C-suite leaders aren't buying how. They're buying business impact. The professionals who command enterprise rooms do three things differently. They quantify risk and they translate complexity into financial outcomes. They frame conversations around strategic leverage, and they don't sound technical. They sound inevitable. That's the shift from vendor to trusted advisor. Inside our trusted advisor training and coaching, we teach technical sales consultants, developers, and entrepreneurs how to lead executive-level conversations, convert technical value into business logic, eliminate price pressure before it happens, and control the narrative of the deal. This is not sales training. It's executive positioning. If you're ready to move from explaining your expertise to commanding the room, visit trustedadvisoradvantage.com, because the most valuable technical professionals don't just build solutions, they architect decisions.